Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make sturdy crochet straps. First, gather your materials: a medium-weight yarn, like cotton or a cotton blend, and a crochet hook one size smaller than recommended for your yarn. This helps create a tighter fabric. We'll focus on techniques that build density and strength, ensuring your finished strap can withstand daily use without stretching or breaking. Let's get started on crafting a reliable and beautiful strap. For maximum sturdiness, the single crochet stitch is your best friend. Work your stitches tightly, ensuring there are no gaps. Another excellent technique is working into the back loop only, which creates a ribbed texture and adds significant firmness. For an incredibly strong, rope-like strap, consider a slip stitch cord. This method builds a very dense, almost non-stretching cord, perfect for heavy-duty applications. Remember, consistent tension is key for a uniform and robust strap. To begin, create a foundation chain that matches the exact length you need for your strap. Next, work your chosen sturdy stitch, such as single crochet, across each row or round. For a flat strap, turn your work at the end of each row. If you prefer a round strap, work in continuous rounds. Maintain even tension throughout the entire process. This is crucial for preventing any weak spots and ensuring the strap's overall durability. To ensure your strap lasts, reinforce attachment points by sewing through multiple layers of fabric. This distributes stress and prevents tearing. Blocking your finished strap can also help it maintain its shape and prevent stretching over time. For even more strength, you can insert a cord or ribbon into the strap as you crochet. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.